What's up, guys? It is 12M Hustle on Tuesday at 12:10 of 24. Hope you guys are having a good one. We're doing little things a little different today. I'm gonna do a recap video today. So instead of going live, I'll do a recap video. Sometimes I'll do recaps. Sometimes I'll go live. Just depends on what I'm feeling. Yesterday we had a great day. Made some good dough. We had the good setup today. I kind of had a feeling this was gonna happen. We had a reclaim overnight. This is kind of why I drew a trend line from yesterday's highs down here. So I'm interested again to go short underneath London right over here, but I am keeping in mind that we might reclaim this whole move. We do not have news today. Again, we do not have news today. So I am well aware that we do not have news today. I'm just keeping that in mind. Oh, put another chart out of there for you guys. Yeah. So I hope you guys are having a good one today. This is going to be the recap video. Let's just see what's going on. Oil's going down on the day. Everything else is up. So we are keeping that in mind, that everything else is up. So we got that in mind. And that is the dealio for today. Let's see. Yeah, so we're going to see if we can get a sell-off and a continuation down to see if we've broken the overall trend. So I do have a ES up as well. Sometimes I put it up, sometimes I don't. But let's talk about the game plan. So game plan this morning, let's see. Don't have any news, so no news today unless we have flash news, which is news whenever they decide it pop out. So we have these levels here. We drew a trend line from the top. Had an amazing sell-off yesterday. I got a piece of this. I got a piece to about like right here, and then I missed the rest of this because that was it. My time was up. Today, we could reclaim this whole thing and just go sideways. So here is your 1 hour. Here's your 1 hour right over here. See that? We're still holding previous breakout of last November 11th. So I would say until we break this level down here and break really down here, then we're going into a downtrend again. Right now, we're still holding 21,500, 21,436. So I don't feel like going short up here because we're not down here at this level. So I'm interested to go short underneath that level. This is what a 4 hour looks like. Very interested to go short underneath that level down here. So I'm going to keep this in mind. I'm probably going to keep watching it. The 4 hour level to look for a short down here. That's the thesis for now. I'll probably keep it at a 2 hour, and 1 hour looks much cleaner. So thesis for now. Last night would have been a nice long. I'm just not trading Asian in London anymore. So keeping that in mind. So I'm going to draw out the game plan. So two things can happen today. Let's break it down. How can break it down? Let's break it down. Let's break it down. So we can go down here and hold. Actually, I actually think they might take this and then shoot up, right? And reclaim. That's one direction. Or the other direction is they come down, they hang out and they sell off down into this area to finish business there. So that can happen, and then if they do that, they can continue to sell off into this area here. And that would basically almost make up the loss, make up the L, not the L, but make up the losing traction that they had, this gap up they had off last week. And then, I mean, once they break this level, I think we're in for some serious selling pressure, right? But I think they'll hold here and then go back up. So that's what it looks like. So two things today. There's no news, so I am not going to take a trade right now. I'm going to wait probably for the open. Only way I take a trade is if we get under here as a short. And what I'll do is I'll put a sim trade on. So I'll do this. Makes me feel like I'm in a trade, but I'm really not. I'll just do that. So I put like a sim trade on, paper trade account on. So I put that on, and we're just gonna let it do its thing. And then right now here we're just chilling. So we're gonna wait for this area to short down here and look for this move. But I'm also aware that that move might not come. That's the plan there. And then I'm also aware, let me take this. So those are the two outcomes, and then there's outcome number 3. Let me show you guys. It's 2 ways that can go. Let me show you the other outcome, which would be the shitty outcome, which is going to be the chop play, which is going to be chop play. Let me show you guys. Okay, we can do this. We can go here, here, go here, bounce, and then go up and sideways chop. And then later in the day, go back up. So that's the other play that can happen. And in that play, I would probably get chopped up on the short and then have to take it long. So, but we are thinking long for the continuation of yesterday's trend. We just think we got a nice little cap bounce, and we'll wait to see if that's it. Take this off. Why is this not going away? What? What's going on here? Oh. Still got the drawing tool. There we go. Okay. So. Let's take these off. So that is the game plan for today. Pretty simple. Can you guys even see my... let's see. There we go. Let's change it to this. There we go. Is that better or no? I think that's better for you guys. All right. There we go. There we go. Okay. So that's the game plan for today. Pretty simple. I don't know if we're gonna get this unwind that I want, but I am definitely looking forward to the continuation of unwinding and hoping we made a top already. But let's see. We do have news tomorrow, so I'm wary of it not doing what the move that I'm looking for. So I am okay with the no trade day. And then same thing on this. Here's what we got on the ES. Same concept we got going on. ES even had bigger sell-off moves. Let me draw some levels on the ES. Hold on, give me a second. Oh, I'm so cold this morning. Let's see, so let's draw some levels here. So we got some room to sell off. Oh, looks like this was our previous high on ES. So we'll keep that in mind. And then we'll look for targets down here. Oh, then go. Previous breakout. I don't know if we're going to have continuation of sell-off, but we're going to keep that in mind. Next level we have is going to be here. That's for ES. Next level is here. And these are just levels I'm looking at. But we have to go red on the day. Every index is up. So ES is up. Bitcoin is up. So I'm keeping that in mind. It could be a bounce day. And we have this up as well. So on that week we had the sell-off. We had kind of a, here we go. We had that red day, and then we had a kind of a bounce play. And then we had a continuation of a sell-off. Same thing that happened on, they just copy each other. On NQ was actually this day, we had a bounce. That day was huge. And then this day we had big pop, and then we finally had a climax. So on the NQ, we just like ripped up this day. Ripped past all-time highs, previous all-time highs there. We ripped up. And then looks like we came back down, sold off, ripped back up, went almost to the top here, and then we continued the sell off down until the fourth day. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Till the fourth day, we had the major sell off, fourth and fifth day. So just got to keep that in mind today to see what we'll be getting. So what we'll do is we'll do a 1 hour. We'll put the 1 hour play. And you know what we're looking for. So yeah, we found a major break yesterday, and we'll see if we continue the sell off. So that is the game planio for today. Pretty simple. Oh, I didn't draw a trend line on it. Yes, let me do that. So we'll look at a 45-minute chart, 30-minute chart. And I'll keep us in the move on a 30-minute. There you go. How's that 30-minute look? There you go. Oof. So cold. Alright, so we're looking at 30-minute here, and then looking at 5-minute here. Okay. This is what we're looking at today. Okay, there we go. So we got levels drawn, plan made out, and now to basically just wait. I'm just gonna wait it out. See what the ES wants to do, see what the NQ wants to do. Move on the ES was clean yesterday. It's actually cleaner on the ES than it was on the NQ. NQ, the sell-off was so choppy and shitty. Kept claiming back. So it's no fun. Okay, alright, and let's draw this on the ES. We'll draw a little trend line for us to watch. Yeah, trading's a lot of watching and planning. It's not really a lot of pushing buttons. That's funny, on the ES we haven't really shot back up. And I'm drawing yesterday's top. Let's see. And then, so once you have a plan, then it's just a lot of wait. We're gonna do a lot of waiting. There we go. What I'll do on my trend lines is I'll touch the two highest points. So there's one. So we'll do this. Is that a high point right there? I can't tell. Oh, it's not. Okay. So we'll touch these two. There you go. And this one's about there. Okay, cool. So there we go. Interesting is on the ES we haven't broken out of the downtrend still. So keep that in mind when we're watching this today. Actually looks better on a 45-minute. There we go. We'll look at a 1 hour. There we go. I'll just keep looking at that 1 hour. And we'll wait. Okay, cool. So we're just going to look at that 1 hour and we are going to wait. Sounds like a game plan. So let's do that. If I go silent, by the way, it's just that I'm just working because I do work full time from my house. So just FYI, I do work full time from my house and I trade full time. So if I go silent or I mute the video, it's because of that. But I'm gonna catch up on some emails right now and we're just gonna wait it out. See if it sets up. Sipping this coffee. Is this moving down? What's going on here? Oh, it is. There we go. Look at that. Look at me log into my account. I took some funds out past 2 days. Okay, cool. Looks like they hit. Let's see. Still waiting. So breaking news: FDA may outlaw food dyes. All right, that's wild. That's different. Let's see. Still waiting to see what we get. Just gonna keep it tight, keep it right. Keep it tight, keep it right. What is this? Oh, I have this account here. Let's see. I gotta do some work, guys. 6 in the morning. It's 6 in the morning. It's 6 in the morning. Let's see what's on this. Still holding, launched above on the ES. Chilling, waiting. 6:15, 6:16's coming up. Could pop up. We'll see. Still working on some emails. Let's see. Probably gonna stand up. I got a standing desk. Stretch out the legs a bit. Still waiting. Still haven't taken a trade. Well, the trades I have on there are all paper trades, by the way. And it's just to keep my FOMO in check today. Because I'm feeling FOMO-y. So this is one micro I had earlier. Stops down here. Same thing. Same thing. So I'm waiting to see if we get a breakout. Looking at that 1 hour. We can switch to a 30-minute. We'll switch to a 30-minute on the ES. There we go. So all the time to see if we can make this move back. I want to see the ES break through that trend, and then it's really interesting to see what she's going to do. We'll see. Interested to see what she wants to do. We had already talked about the game plan, so sticking to it. It's going to go either two ways. It's going to reclaim that. It's going to go up or down. So we're going to let it do its thing. Still drinking my coffee. Working on some emails. I'm actually about to get up right now, so I can stand up for a bit. Okay, looking good. Okay. Going slow this morning. There we go. Copy. Email. Set. Okay. So we got that. And let's see. So I made this coffee and I mixed it with my protein shake. What I did is I made the milk, I added it, and then I put the milk with the coffee. Comes out pretty good actually. Makes it pretty sweet. So I like it. Probably gonna be my new stuff. That'd be my new drink every morning. Works really well. Alright, awesome. For sure. Alright, let's see. So we got open coming up. Let's see. Open's coming up. Open's coming up. So let's see. Might take a trade, might not. I'm gonna wait. See what we get off this. For sure, we're above VWAP, so we are looking pretty Gucci. Let's see. We might get a flip and rip or a dip and rip. So, what is this down here? Okay. I like to keep my risk either 150 or 50. Keeps it pretty well, even if I'm trading a mini. So we're keeping that tight. Waiting, still waiting. Still waiting out. I'm about to get up. Let's get up for a bit. Oh, stretch these legs out. Let's see what we got. 628. Okay, we got 628. All right. So long's looking pretty good here. See if we take it. But we might get a dip here. So 629. All right, let's see what we get. See if we get a dip and rip or a rip and dip. 630. Coming up. Interested to see what we get. Looks like the ES wants to break its trend. Up. Oh well. There's that 630. Let's see. We're just waiting. See what we get. Just waiting out. All right, went short. Keeping it tight. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Look at that. We might rip down the VWAP. See if we get another rip down. What's a 10-minute look on ES and NQ? There's this. Oh, ES looks like it wants to continue the bleed off. Let's see. Waiting to see what we do here. Wonder if it's gonna shoot down. If it's gonna hold. Let's see what it wants to do. Ooh, ES. ES with the sell-off. I want to rip down on ES. Yeah, I think ES wants to go down. Wow, ES is going down. NQ doesn't want to give up the cakes. Ooh, ES keeps going down. What the fuck? Well, ES went down, but let's see. Still waiting. Oh, let's see. All right. Let's see if we can get a dip. Whoa, shit, that was great. That was fucking great. Whew. Oh, that's fucking exhilarating. Whew. That was great, great. Oof. Wow. That was crazy. Fucking crazy. But we had planned that out pretty well. So it was planned out to the T right there. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yes, looks like it wants to go. What the fuck? That was wild. What a pump up. For sure. We had hit about, we took a 2,000 loss on that short because it was a dip and rip, like we said. Whew. Might be done for the day. That was exhilarating. I have to sit down after that one. Well, that was fun. That was exhilarating. Good shit. What a trade. Ooh, I'll show you guys. So yeah, I never switched it over to on the charts, but this is what I had. Oof, that was exhilarating. Wow, that was fun. Exciting for sure. Um, Crazy shit. Let me go take a piss. I'll be back. Yes. Let's see. I'll take a small. Yeah, I guess I might take ES off my charts because I did not like how it. That was why I fucking shorted, was because I saw ES doing that, and I'm not digging that. So fuck watching ES. Doesn't help me for shit. Going back to my bread and butter. There we go. Here's a 5 minute. Here's a 10 minute. 15 minute. Yeah, definitely full bull section here. I'm gonna wait for a retracement. Here's a 30 minute. So I'll definitely wait for a retracement to see if I go long. Was a nice bounce into yesterday's level. We had drawn at 2150, 21566. So remember I had said this morning 2 ways it's gonna go. It's either gonna go down and sell off, or it's gonna go up. So we had pretty much, not gonna say we called it, but pretty much planned out how that was gonna go down. But that was fun. Yeah, I'm definitely taking ES off my charts. Oh shit. I might take a short underneath the opening range. Oh, let's do it. Let's take a short here. We'll take a little short here. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. That's a free short. That was a nice free short again. Nice. See if it claims up that level. 2 free shorts on the day. So if we can bleed off Asia low here, that'll be interesting to see if they just stop people out. And that was a huge rip. I'll tell you that much. So very interesting to see. Oh, to see this. See what happens there. Let's see. Da-da-da. Very nice. Let's take a short here. See what we get. I'd one micro this short if we get a pop down. Be very interesting to see it pop down, but I don't think it will. Down to risk 40 on it. I'm down to risk 37 on it. Let's see. This will be last trade right here. Last trade. Last trade. If it goes green here, I'll take a short. I'll add to it. Alright, added to it. Let's see. Should give us some type of dip down now. There we go. Beautiful. A little more. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. See if it breaks the floor here. It did. Took the short. We're going to risk 41s. I wonder if it's going to take this low here. I mean, it initiated on a 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. Has it on a 15 minutes. So there we go. I took myself out on that one. Now it's reclaiming. Yeah, because I didn't like the way it was going. Still watching. That could have been my last trade. We'll see. $7 o'clock, so we'll see what we get on a rip. If we get a rip and dip here. Okay, let's see. So I might just call it here, guys. That's it. I got to start work, but I'm done. I did about hour and 20 minutes. Good day. Let me show you guys what I got. You know, leave that sim trade on. There's that sim trade. Here's today. Not bad. 21.50. That's pretty good. It's pretty good, man. It's pretty fucking good. But, you know, when you got the gas, you got the gas. So, thing is, get that profit and get the heat out. All right, cool. I'm out. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Appreciates. Peace.